Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is HMS Duncan completes QinetiQ Sharpshooter exercise countering drone swarms off Welsh coast. HMS Duncan has neutralized swarms of drones during Sharpshooter, a 4-day live-firing exercise delivered by QinetiQ off the Welsh coast. The exercise placed Royal Navy personnel in a high-intensity scenario replicating real-life threats. Working with fleet operational standards and training, QinetiQ managed a dynamic training environment in which HMS Duncan was required to defend itself against multiple simultaneous attacks. The scenario was designed by Inspire, a QinetiQ-owned company specializing in immersive and realistic military training solutions. Live and synthetic drones were deployed, including QinetiQ's Banshee Whirlwind aerial targets and Hammerhead uncrewed surface vehicles. These were used alongside simulated threats such as cruise missiles, anti-ship ballistic missiles and a range of enemy aircraft to increase the complexity and intensity of the exercise. The training took place at MOD Aberporth and tested the ship's full offensive and defensive capabilities from detection through to neutralization. Operations were conducted both during daylight and overnight to reflect real-world deployment conditions. The crew achieved their objectives by tracking and neutralizing 5 aerial targets and sinking 2 Hammerhead surface vehicles. QinetiQ stated that the exercise was designed to ensure personnel are prepared for modern, complex warfare environments. Will Blamey, Chief Executive, UK Defence, QinetiQ, said, "We are proud to deliver dynamic, real-life scenarios that best prepare our armed forces for the complex warfare challenges of today and tomorrow. Our combination of live and synthetic threats mean we can deliver training scenarios that provide the very latest in threat representation, helping our warfighters to achieve mission readiness at pace." Commander Dan Lee of the Royal Navy said, "The realism of Sharpshooter, particularly the engagement of dynamic moving targets using operational procedures, gave my ship's company the opportunity to prove they are ready to defend, ready to fight and ready to win. My team fully embraced the challenge and leave this exercise more confident, more capable and better prepared." QinetiQ delivers test and training services to the UK Armed Forces across land, air, sea and cyber domains. In December, the Netherlands Navy's HNLMS Evertsen also participated in a QinetiQ-led exercise aimed at strengthening training alignment among NATO members to enhance collective readiness. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.